share the best egg sandwich recipe with you guys. All you need is a croissant and egg. If you like Sriracha, if you want your life to be changed forever, buy this once. It's gonna last forever. And it is locally made. This is local Pakistani made Sriracha. Let's go. Take your croissant, cut it in half. It's directly into the pan. Take your spatula and just adding salt and eggs. I use 3 eggs. You can use 1 2, but 2 to डालें. Like half a slice. Right. Meanwhile, I'm gonna switch on my panini. Center. और बाकी हम ऊपर करें. Into the panini press. Don't butter that croissant. It's like putting ice on snow or snow on ice. So how cute are these modesties from Pashas? That's so. Trust me, if you're into eggs, all that you need ever to live. Oh my god, I don't think there's anything better than this. Ever. मेरा गुड्डा खा